Well, Nigeria's out-of-school children remains a major concern, with millions, especially Almajiri children, at the risk of exploitation. And now the federal government has now unveiled fresh plans to reform the system and return more children to school. Maria Mohammed reports.
The federal government says urgent reforms are underway as many children seeking religious studies remain exposed to insecurity. With over 20 million Almajiri children nationwide, officials say the situation has hurt Nigeria's global image. A new 10-year plan will reform the Almajiri system, with data showing that many Almajiri children come from outside Nigeria, prompting regional cooperation through the Lake Chad Governors Forum.
Actually, the president was pressing on us that before the end of his tenure, 8 years, at least 10 million Nigerians must go back to school. So we are working around that figure. And I just told you that I have 700,000, and I can make it 3 million before the end of, in the next 6 months. Only if I have someone that is ready to take them to school. And because the federal government cannot open schools across all the state, so it has to be done by the state. And they are doing all that is required. But what we are saying is, let there be partnership. When we do the identification, we give you put them in the school. Once that is done, this handshake between the federal government and the state government, between our commission and the ministries of education in all the statistics, believe you me, before the end of 2027, we are going to address not less than 60% of the issue of out-of-school children.
Key interventions include the Tinubu Legacy School in Kaduna, which blends Quranic learning with skills training, and a girls' center in Ibadan. A national marshal system has identified 700,000 out-of-school children, with 100,000 already enrolled in low-cost private schools and more learning centers under construction. Officials say most parents want schooling but lack resources, and 106 learning centers are now in place pending full state approval. New learning centers, expanded advocacy and regional partnerships, the federal government is optimistic that this is on the right path to ending out-of-school children across the country. Maria Mohammed, TVC News, Abuja.